Good morning, good morning. It's me, Jimakara. I just spotted this orchid. So beautiful. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Also this one, the national flower of Malaysia. It's so beautiful. Look at that. And yeah, so nice. See, beautiful. It's so beautiful. And here is Lyra, who's making a noise. And the cactus, aloe vera. Oh, so beautiful. And this one, yep, very nice. And even this one, it's so healthy, getting big and big. Yeah. So I'm just fascinating with the flower, with the plants here. Beautiful. See that? Oh. And I see it's beautiful. Guys, I can see a lot of monkey there. See them? All in the, because they're doing construction there, and then all of them are so beautiful. And this one also is so nice. Another one nice is this. Yep. Yes. Okay. Bye. It's me, Jimakara.